What's going on, fam? This is Thanh back with another video review, and in today's video I'll be doing a review on the TUXMAT Super Trunk Kit for the 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. For the last 4.5 years that I've owned my car, I've had these Toyota OEM All-Weather floor mats, which have served me good for the most part. However, I'm going to show you before and after pictures and kind of share with you the reasons why I've decided to upgrade to these premium mats today. These mats will cover not only the trunk, the third row, but also the second row as well. So for those that have been looking for an alternative for the second row to cover the back of these seats, this might be an option for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product. So here's 5 reasons why I'm going to upgrade from these OEM all-weather floor mats to the TUXMAT right over here. Number 1, this is made of rubber, and if you've ever went to Costco and had to load up your car, I grabbed me a 24 pack of some carbonated water here, but I hate how sticky it is. So if I load it, or my wife loads it and we push it in, you see how it grips? You literally will have to lift it up and then try to put it in. And so that's one of the reasons why I'm going to switch them out. This being sticky, I guess, you can look at it, it has pros and cons, but remember the time I made the tow hitch video? Putting in that box, that big box right through the center, was a little bit more difficult because this was so sticky, right? So I really had to lift it up and push it in, and that took a lot of muscle to be able to do that. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is with the TUXMAT trunk kit, it actually has an elevated lip that will cover this area. So if there's any spills or water, snow that ends up melting, it has a better chance of diverting it away from getting under over here. If anything, it'll help divert it back over here. That's reason number 2. Reason number 3, once I install the TUXMAT Super Trunk Lid kit, you'll see that it has some additional overlap that goes over this plastic area right here for added protection as well. Number 4, this area right here, it gets really dirty in between, and I have to vacuum it once in a while. Plus, when I pull the third row up, you see how it bunches up? It looks really ugly to me. I don't like this look. So with the TUXMAT, it gets rid of this and makes it look a lot more cleaner. So that is just some of the reasons why I've decided to replace them. The other reason is it does come with the second row covers as well, and for continuity, it's just going to have one sleek look all the way across from here all the way to the second row if I ever need to put those seats down. Here's the back trunk portion. Premium, based on the website, this product is made up of 3 layers. The top layer is a vinyl layer that is basically waterproof, spill-proof, splash-proof, and just from feeling it right here, right, it has a little bit more give. You can put stuff and it'll lay down flat on there, but I can slide my hand freely, whereas with the rubber one, it just sticks. And so I already like the premium feel of this. So that's the top layer, is the vinyl. Inside is a thick EV, I think it's, forgot what it's called, but the EV layer that provides it strength. And the bottom layer is rubber, where it's going to grip to this, the surface of the car. So if I just did a test fit, there's no any special tools or anything like that. You just slap it right in, but you can tell right away it automatically covers over this area right here, and it provides the extra lip right here, so that way anything that does spill will get caught up right here. Now, as for the third row, like I mentioned, when I eventually pull this up and remove this out, it's going to have a more clean look. I'll bring this all the way back. That just looks like a more clean look for me, and that's what I'm going for. Alright, let's go ahead and slap on the third row first here. This is what they look like. Pretty nice, thick, premium material right here. This is simply held on with Velcro. Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of Velcro here, and it'll attach to the fuzzy, the fuzzy on the back of the chairs that are already there. This is where the straps slip right through, and this is made of a nice high quality plastic as well. So let's go ahead and slap this on. The OEM product is also held on with Velcro as well. So all you gotta do is just slip it out. So lesson learned here, do not lay these down before you're ready to attach them, because they got some strong grip to it and it popped the little balls right off. So let's go ahead and start with this side. Make sure that these are on. And if you're confused which side goes where, they have a little tag here that gives you a heads up that this should be installed in the third row, D1. All right, I'm gonna hop in here. Wrap. When I say it's really sticky, it is really sticky, and that is a good thing. Okay. There we go. So this side is on. So on this side here, this side we'll flip it around this way. The strap through. Whew, really sticky, or should I say grippy. Take the trunk, slap it in, push it in. There's the seatbelt on both sides. Got a nice clearance, a snug fit. Look at that. What do you think? You like that? If I take this strap here, look at that. Nice and clean. Bring it all the way to the back. That's what I'm talking about. Same side over here. Bring this back. That back. And doesn't that just look more clean and sleek? Right? Gosh, this is beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and slap on the second row captain's chair covers as well. Now, installing this in the second row, you might want to move the car seat up, or the seat up. In my case, I got a car seat here, so I got to take this out. I don't think I need to, but just to show you the easiest way to install this, I'm just going to remove the car seat out for temporary for now. There we go. The second row has 4 Velcro components right here, and so just line it up, align it into this hole right here so it matches in this latch right here. If that looks good, then you can just press down. Hooking the latch back on still gives it great clearance and no issues at all. It's easier to just eyeball and align it right here. Garbage disposal back here for the people in the third row. Here we go, folks. Hold on. All right, so the last test to do is the Costco test. Look at that. Doesn't move around, but at the same time, it's still stable enough where it's not going to go anywhere. Back here, back here. I'm sure my back's going to appreciate that as well. Cool. Wow, looks great. Look at that, friends. Going to the back. Little kids back there want to kick the back of the captain's chairs. No problem. Looks a lot more clean. All right, put the third row down. When the second and third row is collapsed, this is what it looks like. Fully covered. These corners are nice and tight. Nice coverage. So there you have it. The TUXMAT Super Trunk Kit installed. This is going to fit all 4th generation, so that's 2020 to 2025 Toyota Highlander hybrid. They have a gas model, and the difference is if you get the floor mats, the configuration for the gas and hybrid models are different. But this one, from what I'm seeing, this might work for gas model as well, but when you go on the website, if you decide to pick this up, this is specifically for a hybrid. So I'm really liking the slick premium design. All right, look at this. This cutout perfectly aligns with the latch system right here. Same goes on the second row as well. So it's not an issue putting the car seats back in for my kids. Works perfect. Whew, gotta love it. Well, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Peace.